Hey guys, today Kate and I are gonna make a cowboy favorite. It's called cornbread. And cowboys like to eat it when they're having chili or when they are cooking out over a campfire in the Wild Wild West. And when you're cooking in a campfire, you have to have a special kind of skillet. This is called a cast iron skillet. See how it's black and it's really heavy, and you can put this over a campfire. We're not gonna cook over a campfire today, Kate, don't worry. We're gonna make our cowboy cornbread in the oven, but I'm still gonna use my skillet, just like the cowboys would. All right, so Kate, tell everybody what we need to make cornbread.
We need cornmeal, flour, sugar, buttermilk, milk, eggs, butter, baking powder, baking soda, and salt.
All right, let's get to work. All right, the first thing we need is 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal. And while I do that, how about you unwrap the butter and melt that in the microwave for us?
Okay.
We need flour. We're gonna do 3/4 of a cup of flour. 1, 2, 3. We need 1/4 cup of sugar. 1 1/4. We need a teaspoon of salt. You can do your salt kind of over here so you don't accidentally spill too much in. You don't want it to be too salty. Great.
Get the butter.
All right, I'll do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, we're gonna whisk this together. We're gonna do a cup of buttermilk. That's different than regular milk. And 1/3 of a cup of milk. I'm just gonna pour that right in there with the other. Thanks, Kate.
You're welcome.
All right, now Kate, I want you to crack these 2 eggs into this little bowl and whisk them up with a fork. Let me get your fork. One egg. 2 eggs. All right, Kate's gonna mix those together for us. All right, so we mixed our dry ingredients together, and now we're going to whisk in the wet ingredients. Oops, not the butter. The 2 kinds of milk, buttermilk and regular milk, and the 2 eggs. Kate, you wanna pour those in? And then whisk it all up. All right, mix, mix, mix.
I don't have it on my hand.
I'm gonna put the skillet in the oven so it starts getting hot. All right, and now it says to pour almost all of the butter in. We're gonna save a little bit. Mix in that melted butter. Ooh, that looks good. All right. Then we're gonna put our batter into the skillet and bake it in the oven. And it says that we're going to bake it for 20 minutes. And then it's gonna come out and we're gonna have some for dinner tonight. Does that sound good, little cowgirl? All right, thank you, Kate. Okay, now the oven is nice and hot, so we're gonna get that hot cast iron skillet out of the oven, put the rest of the butter in it, and then we're gonna put the batter inside. You ready, Kate? I'll do the hot part. Hot skillet. You wanna pour the rest of the butter in?
Sure.
Be careful, it's really hot. We're gonna put this Listen to that sizzle. Just like on the Cowboy campfire. Put the batter in. This is gonna taste delicious.
Mm-hmm.
All right, back into the oven for 20 minutes, and then we'll be ready for dinner. Two, 0, 0, 0, start. See you in 20 minutes.
All right, that's our timer.
That's our timer. Let's see if our Cowboy cornbread is ready. It smells so good in here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I've got my oven mitts on. Oh, wow. Check this out.
That looks
See how it's
good.
brown around the outside?
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be delicious.
Yes, it is.
All right. Thanks for joining us for Cowboy Cornbread.